You want to go home? You had some running? You ready to go? Good. Good, Mecca. That's good. Okay. Okay. Oh. There's a dog. You want to say hi? It's a little puppy.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, you're certainly brave. Remember when you were a puppy, Liberty? You remember when you were a puppy? Hey. Hi, puppy. Wow, are you cool? Hi. Yep. Good.
How are you?
Okay, thanks. And yourself?
Not bad.
All right, glad to hear it. And who is this little guy?
That's Senator.
Hi, Senator. Hi. We got to get some legislation for yelling, Senator. Stop borrowing money, start minting some of it.
Come on, let's go take a lap. Come on, buddy.
Go, go, go. Go with your owner, your master. Heel. Good, Senator.
You want to play with the people or the dogs?
You going to lead the way? You need a little stick or a carrot or something there. Good. Good. Where's mine? Oh, there.